everyone, we are back and we are going to do this in a two-part video because I can't do my cash stuffing and my Temu unboxing at the same time. So shortly after this one, I'll record my video for my cash stuffing for my home binder today. But I wanted to bring this on board. We are not being sponsored, but Temu can feel free to sponsor us if they would like, because y'all, we're going to still continue to get products from them. I have been watching everybody else's Temu unboxing and I've gotten very jealous. Decided it was time to jump on the Temu bandwagon, y'all. And just to all let you know that Temu now is rated #1 app on the App Store. And probably rightfully so, because they're going to take everybody by storm. They're going to give Amazon a run for their money. And they are putting out some seriously awesome products. Now, my haul here was $27 and some change. And that's because I kept putting things in my cart. I have a secondary package coming in for myself. You'll be seeing that here shortly. Once that arrives, it's due here to come in the next, I think, couple of days or so. My son has a package that's due in today. And my daughter Jessica has a package that's already hit the United States and traveling to Missouri as we speak. Excuse the squeaky noise in the background. Tucker is just going ham on some toy that he has. And y'all, we have a bunch of squeaky toys, so they all go ham on it. The girls don't want to play. You don't have to bully them. Now stop. So he wants everybody to play. So that was Tucker. So with that being said, let's start out with our first product. I don't have it here. I wasn't really happy about the condition that the box came in. It was really squished. The package looked a little funny on the outside, the way it was bundled up, but y'all, everything came in just fine. This is something my son has been wanting for a very, very long time. He's had his eye on a mug warmer that I think it had like 3 different levels. Now, this does not. If I wanted to spend a couple extra bucks more, well, let's be honest, I paid less than $6 for this. I paid like $5.95, and I could have paid probably a little bit over double. It was like 11 or 12 bucks, but it would have had 3 different levels, low, medium, and high. But I said, nope, we're going to start him out with the cheap one, and I got him this for less than $6. It was like $5.95 or something like that. And it's a mug warmer. He's already plugged it in. It stays one consistent temperature, and y'all, it is working like a dream. He already plugged it in. So instead of spending anywhere between $30 to $100 for a mug warmer, I got one for less than $6. So I will not be buying that off Amazon. That's coming off his wish list. We saved a ton of money. He already plugged it in, y'all, because he just snapped it and ran. The next item is this itty bitty little silicone ice tray. You can do anything besides ice. You can put little pieces of chocolate in here, melt it down, and make little tiny baby chocolate squares. Anything that you can think of for things like that. But I thought the little ice cube tray would be really cute. This is a silicone ice cube tray, and I love silicone better because the old-fashioned ice trays sometimes will crack, and after a while they get brittle. The silicone ones, they pop out so easy. I do have one of these, but I have one from Walmart that had 16 almost normal-sized cubes. They're like half cubes, 3/4 cubes, in comparison to the bigger standard cubes. And with that being said, that one, when I first got it, was like $5. Now, if you go to Walmart to look for them, they're like $9. And I'm like, no way am I paying $9 for an ice tray. But I got this one on Temu, and I can't wait to use it. I will give you a spoiler alert in my next package that's on its way here already, that's being prepped and ready to ship, is a one that has 2 different ice trays, and they stack because it's got lids, and I'm super excited. There are going to be bigger ice cubes. If those pan out, y'all, I'll probably be buying a lot more. Our next product here, I haven't tried it out yet, so I will keep you guys in the loop on this one. This is a bag sealer. So when you're done with your chips, you're done with your pasta, and there are bags of any sort, and you want to reseal them up, not only to keep the freshness in, but to keep them from opening up and spilling all over the place or going stale, I got this bag sealer. And I've been watching one on Amazon. I think it was like $35. But it was a plug-in and charge. This one takes 2 AA batteries. I may look for the plug-in charge depending on how often I have to use this for batteries. I don't want to keep going through a bunch of batteries. But I'm going to go ahead and try this one out. And this one, I think, was a little over $6.50. So I will keep you guys in the loop on this one. Super excited about that. I did pick up I want to say this is a 500 pack roll of little thank you stickers for my Etsy shop. That way when someone purchases off my Etsy and it's a physical product, I can put one of these thank you stickers for supporting our small business. So those are running out really super fast as well. Also want to let you know that Temu does have, if the item goes out of stock, you can have them notify you when the item comes back in stock to be able to purchase an item. They also have a wish list as well, which is super duper cool. This is a 2-piece little night set for Jessica. It is a women's, I believe it's a small, extra small. It's a size 2-4, and it is very thin material. We will be putting this in the washer on the hand washing cycle, and then I'm going to air dry it because I don't want it to shrink. I do know when you buy products from overseas, from time to time, they will shrink if you stick them in the dryer. Now you can stick them in the dryer with no heat, but that'll take too long and it's too much energy. So I suggest that you just hang dry these. They won't take very long. So that's a little spaghetti top, and it comes with the little pajama shorts. These were only $5 for a set. Y'all, that's much cheaper than even Walmart sells their nightgowns for. The girls' nightgowns are like $8, $9 now. And even though she's got 3 nightgowns, this is another set for her to sleep in. So this is a 4th set for summer. And then over here off to the side, I have yet another set. If these work great for her, I probably will stock her up on these because even during the winter time, since I have chihuahuas in the house, we do keep our house pretty warm. Can you guys please go ahead and turn on the air conditioning? It is hot, y'all, in the house today. It is nice and cool outside, but it is like smoldering hot in the house. So if these fit her well, which I'm assuming they will because they look right about her size. Jessie is 4'11". She's going to scream out she's 5 foot tall, but I'm telling you she's 4 foot. See, there she goes. I'm going to tell you she's 4'11", and I'm also going to tell you she's roughly around 80 pounds or so. She's really super tiny, y'all. I don't think she's going to grow. She's 13 years old, and she hasn't grown yet. So this is just a little nighty sleep dress for her to wear as well. Again, that was $5 as well. In the material, it has a weird smell to it, almost like a factory type smell. So we'll wash this, get it smelling nice and fresh for her. I may stick it in the dryer for literally like a minute or two with the no heat added cycle, just to put a fabric dryer sheet in there so it smells a little bit better, or I'll Febreze it and just hang it up and air it out for her. And that is a night dress for her. So last but not least is our, whoops, what is this? Okay. Last but not least is a 4-pack, and this is, I was super excited to get this in. I want to say it was Jen Chapin. That's who I want to say who it was. Y'all have to correct me if I'm wrong, if you guys all know. But I believe that was the YouTuber that I was watching that spent over $300 on refrigerated items to make her refrigerator look like, you know, that you see on TikTok and things of that nature. The real cool Pinteresty looking refrigerators, y'all. And I absolutely love it. And her refrigerator turned out just amazing. But who in the hell spends $360 on items like that? That's super duper crazy. That's insane. But it turned out amazing, and it's going to keep all of her items, you know, really nicely stocked, neat, and portioned off and that. And we're going to be working on our refrigerator. Y'all, I got to replace some bins in my refrigerator, and my refrigerator's falling apart. Let's just be honest. But anyways, with that being said, this is the first item I wanted to get. I do have some little bin drawers that I have found at Walmart in clearance sections and things of that nature, and I've been using those, but I'm going to be getting some extra things either off Temu, if they have it on there, or some other things. Jessie found some really cool items on Temu. And we're going to make our refrigerator very organized. It doesn't have to be really Pinteresty looking or anything of that nature, but just to organize it more, because right now mine is a total chaotic mess. And this is a pack of 4 refrigerated shelf liners, y'all. And they're plastic. I think they're silicone and plastic. And they come in different colors. I didn't feel the need to get like pink everything, because that's one of Jessie's favorite colors. But I got these. It's a pack of 4. And they're really, really thin, y'all. I'm just going to go ahead and rip it off. There we go. It's not going to hurt anything. It's going to go in the trash anyways. But I wanted to show you. They're really super thin, y'all. But the quality is really, really good. I mean, they're not thick. I think if you paid more on Amazon, they're going to be a lot thicker than these. But I don't want them really thick anyways. and they're very much tactile. I mean, you can feel it. It's all the little grooves in it. That way nothing slides off of them. And I absolutely love them. And they have them in multiple colors. I think there's pink, blue. I want to say there was purple and green is with the colors that I've seen. But they have these by a bunch of different vendors on Temu in different sizes and different price points as well. So went ahead and got all 4 of those. If I can link my Temu reference down below for you to sign up, you can do that. If I have that, if I can link it. Again, it is the #1 app on at least the iOS app that we use, since we are iPhone users. It is the #1 app right now on there. So I don't doubt why it is, because it's absolutely amazing. So that's going to complete our Temu unboxing, or we've already unboxed our Temu's package for the day. Again, my son's package is due to be in here hopefully today. Jessica's is on its way from Texas, and my second one is already being prepped to be shipped. So, y'all, I'm going to have to come up with a Temu tracker and start saving, because this site is really, really addictive. So, any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. Again, I will try to link my referral link if you are interested in going ahead and looking at Temu and getting on there and possibly ordering yourself some items. The only thing I'm going to tell you, again, is be very careful, because it is extraordinarily addictive. But y'all, it's okay to be addictive if the prices are this low. It's beating out Amazon. It's beating out Walmart. It's just absolutely amazing. So, anyways, that's what we have for you. Our next video will be our cash stuffing for our home binder. So, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, Without Limits is out.